There's a brown bottle in almost every bathroom cabinet in America, and most people only ever use it for one thing, dabbing it on a scraped knee. That's a shame, because plain 3% hydrogen peroxide, the kind that costs about $1 at any drugstore, is genuinely one of the more versatile things you can own. Not because of some hidden history or suppressed knowledge, just basic chemistry. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild oxidizer. It breaks down into water and oxygen, which is why it fizzes on contact with blood or wounds, and why it's effective at breaking down organic stains and killing surface bacteria without leaving toxic residue behind. Let's go through what it's actually good for. Hydrogen peroxide is an effective surface disinfectant. Wiping down cutting boards and countertops with it after handling raw meat helps reduce bacterial contamination. Full strength, left on for a few minutes, then wiped or rinsed. It also works well as a produce soak. A small amount in a sink of cold water can help loosen wax and residue on fruits and vegetables before rinsing. It's a reasonable alternative to commercial dish and glassware rinse aids in small quantities, though check your dishwasher manufacturer's guidance first. This is one of its best-known legitimate uses. Hydrogen peroxide is a genuinely strong stain remover, especially for blood, which it lifts by reacting with the iron in hemoglobin. Poured directly onto a fresh blood stain, it foams and helps lift it before rinsing with cold water. It also works as a gentler alternative to chlorine bleach for whitening whites, without the harshness on elastic and synthetic fibers. It's an effective mold and mildew treatment on hard surfaces like bathroom tile and shower liners. Full strength, left to sit, then wiped clean, without the fumes of chlorine bleach. It's safe on septic systems, unlike bleach, which makes it a reasonable toilet bowl and drain cleaner. Diluted, it can help clear the mildew smell that builds up in front-load washing machine gaskets. Kitchen sponges, which really do harbor more bacteria than most surfaces in your house, can be sanitized by soaking them in a diluted peroxide solution. Diluted hydrogen peroxide can help dry out surface blemishes and is sometimes used on toenail fungus with soaking. Though evidence for this is modest, and a podiatrist is a better first stop for a persistent fungal infection. It's fine for cleaning the skin around a shallow scrape. Diluted hydrogen peroxide is used by some gardeners to help with root aeration in soggy soil and to pre-treat seeds, and there's real agricultural research behind peroxide as a mild soil oxygenator, though home use should stay light and infrequent, since overuse can also harm beneficial soil microbes. Don't put hydrogen peroxide in your ears without asking a doctor first. It can irritate the ear canal, and if there's a perforated eardrum you don't know about, cause real damage. Don't use it as a mouthwash or gargle regularly. Occasional diluted rinses are generally considered low risk. But it's not a substitute for standard oral hygiene, and undiluted peroxide can irritate gum tissue. Never pour it into a deep or serious wound. Modern wound care guidance is clear that peroxide can damage healthy tissue and actually slow healing. It's fine on intact skin around a wound, not inside one. And only ever use 3% drugstore strength. Higher concentrations, the 12% to 35% food-grade versions sold online, are genuinely dangerous, capable of causing serious chemical burns, and should never be ingested or used undiluted on skin. None of this is secret knowledge that was taken from anyone. It's just an old, cheap, well-understood household chemical that got crowded off the shelf by specialty products with bigger marketing budgets, which honestly is reason enough to give it another look.